thunderstorm warning for western Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, southern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, eastern Houston County in Middle Tennessee, east central Humphreys County in Middle Tennessee, northern Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, western Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 7 a.m. CST. At 6:24 a.m. CST, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles east of Arrington near Dixon to 11 miles west of Centerville, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Franklin, Springfield, Dixon, Ashland City, Centerville, Nashville, Clarksville, Brentwood, Goodlettsville, Greenbrier, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Coopertown, White Bluff, Belle Meade, Kingston Springs, Pegram, Wichita, Burns, and Fairview. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are capable of producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now.
Dangerous situation.
And stay away from windows.
My first PDS!